Yeah, hi. In today's video, we've changed it up a little bit today. We're gonna actually be doing a review of a software product that claims you can earn $143 an hour on Instagram. So if you want to be on Instagram or you're already on Instagram, this should help you. Just by one click of a button will generate you $143 every single hour. That's what it claims. So let's go and have a look at Instapayz in a little bit more detail and show you exactly what it's all about and how you can go and earn this $143 per hour on Instagram. Okay guys, so here we are on the actual sales page, Instapayz. It says so powerful and profitable it should be illegal. Well, and it says press one button to activate the Instagram hack that forces us to make $143.79 per hour. And that's without the need of taking photos of ourselves. And it says there's no waiting, no extra expenses, no bullcrap, and it's 100% legal. So we scroll down a bit more. Obviously, it's saying here our members have made $54,000 plus with this Instagram hack. Now, if you have actually already used this Instapayz, then obviously let me know in the description below here whether it has worked for you, whether you found it all that it should be and all that it's claimed to be here, just let me know in the comments below here. It obviously says it's going to work on any computer, phone or tablet. There's zero extra expenses required, and there's 100 plus beta testers that have actually profited from this. And it's even total beginners are making money, 100% legal and ethical. And you also get a zero risk. So it's 365-day money back guarantee. So if you buy this software, don't like it within the 365 days, not only will he give you your money back, you will get a $300 if you fail. And I'm not sure, there's obviously got to be some sort of loophole in that $300. You've obviously got to try it out for probably the whole 365 days. Now, it also is saying it's just a $19 one-off payment, okay, just for the Instapayz software. Okay, so really cheap, and obviously you're going to get your money back anyway, even if it doesn't work. Now, there's a couple of things obviously you need to know. Who's behind the Instapayz obviously software, and that's a guy called Wesley, a $1 billion virgin. I know him from YouTube, and as you can see, here's his YouTube channel here. It's got over 550,000 subscribers. But just have a look a little bit of his videos here. Swipe and earn $50 repeatedly. $500 a day website. $500 a day on Amazon FBA. $377 per hour on Google Translate. So as you can see, they are very bold statements and very bold claims on most of his videos. Now, they do get lots of views, obviously, and he's got lots of people subscribing to his channels. And you probably can make money with all these Amazon FBA. I mean, I've made $45,000 in 1 year. But Google Translate, $377 per hour. Yeah, as you can see, Wesley probably does tend to try and accentuate the truth a little bit. So we just got to bear that in mind when he actually obviously is promoting his other products here. So let's just go down a little bit further into this. And obviously it says here it's got obviously... people got paid so much for doing this hack. There's no hosting, there's no autoresponders, no tracking software, no solo ads, no traffic. So you're not paying for any traffic or anything like that. So all you need is an internet connection and access to Instapayz. And there's more payments that he's probably had. Now, again, whether these are correct or not, we don't know. Obviously, he's got some beta testers here. But they are just Keithy, Guy R, Manuel F. Who knows? I mean, you don't know whether these are real or not real. And of course, these in 7 days, this lady, Mel, only earned $99. So that's not $143 per hour, guys. So just be realistic about this. If you do try the Instapayz, be realistic. It's probably something you're going to have to build up over time, I would have thought. I'm not saying it's not going to work, but what I'm saying is you're probably not going to earn the $143 per hour off the bat. It's as simple as that. I've done a bit more dived a little bit more into it, and have found there are some upsells when you first actually join. So just to make you aware of those, let's just go through them. So as you can see here, this is the front end. So it's $19 for the Instapay. And then it says you've got a one-time offer of an unlimited $47, which is unlimited. I don't know what it's unlimited for. So again, the Instapay, the $19 is going to be limited to what you can do with it. Okay, so it probably means it's not going to work fully, and you're not going to be able to earn the money he says you are. So you're going to probably have to get the $47 as well. So again, the figures are starting to go up. But again, if you're going to be earning $100 an hour, then obviously this small amount is going to be a pittance. They also do a OTO2, which is a done-for-you service. Now the thing is, if it's done for you, and this is what gets me, they state on their opening sales page that you've just got to click one button. Well, surely done for you is going to be easy then, isn't it? So you're not going to need it done for you. But so it's obviously more complicated than what they're stating on the sales page. So again, be wary of that if you're going to go and try this out. But the done for you is $297. And there's an OTO3, which is automation. So that means they're going to automate stuff for you. So you don't have to do it yourself. So you can actually upgrade for that. And that's another $47. So OTO4 is 1 hour profit. So I don't know what that really entails. But again, that is another $97. And we've also got unlimited again there. Unlimited traffic this time. Even though it said you don't need to get traffic, it's now saying you're going to need unlimited traffic, and that's $147. You've also got the franchise rights, so you could actually earn the franchise rights to this, which probably means you can actually sell it to other people, and obviously get a bigger percentage of obviously this whole funnel. The franchise is going to cost you a one-off $197, and then you also can get multiple income streams. Now, if you've got a multiple income streams in there, you're obviously going to have to pay for them, which is what all these OTOs are. So I'm not quite sure what that one entails, the 47 in the end as well. So just bear all this in mind, guys, when you're actually going to look at the Instapay. So remember, just bear this in mind if you're going to go and grab Instapay. I know a lot of people who obviously review products like this then would give you loads and loads of different bonuses. Now, at the end of the day, guys, if you're not going to take action when it's only $19, me giving you a load of bonuses on top of that, which you're probably never ever going to use, is pretty stupid in my book. So I don't mind whether you buy it or don't buy it. I will put a link in the description below here, and if you want to check it out, you can by all means check it out. But I think it's not going to be quite what I think he says it's going to be. And obviously, we've already proved that you're probably not going to make the $143 per month. So just be a bit skeptical about that once you actually join. Be a bit realistic about what you're actually going to earn. I'm not saying you're not going to earn money, because you probably are going to earn money. It probably works. But it could also be something that is shut down by Instagram if it is an Instagram hack. So they may well put a block on it at some point as well. So bear that in mind as well. But by all means, go and check out Instapay, like I say, and let me know in the comments below if you try it and if you're getting success with it. I personally don't do Instagram, but this kept coming up on my feed, so I thought I'd better quickly do a quick review of it, just to see that there are other products out there that are saying or showing you how to make money online. And most of these products do work, but they probably just don't work as well as they say they probably are. Remember, you've got nothing to lose here, guys, really, anyway, because you've got that 365-day money-back guarantee anyway. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously give us the thumbs up and smash that like button for us. Also, don't forget to check out these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. Make sure, obviously, you check out Instapayz if you want to go and check out that and see if it does work as he says it does. And let me know in the comments below, obviously, like I say, if you're going to go and grab that and the results you've actually had as well.